cut.
Have you got it? No, no!
What?
Oh, don't there. Sit down. Oh, your head won't fit in.
I'm small head.
Can make a snowman. Can make a snowman.
Right, give it a bit. I'll make his bottom.
Oh, I'll make his head.
Yeah, that's his head, because that's not where me. Oh, it's gonna.
The head to our snowman. Whoop.
The body for our snowman.
We need another body.
Oh no.
No, I had a bit of...
I think we should be a snowman creators.
We say said. Snow. Ah!
Alright.
Bottom.
Middle, which is as big as the bottom. You not push it down.
No, because it's not going to stick, 'cause it's as big as.
Head. Our snowman. Don't, his body's gonna fall off.
Should we make some little like eyes and...
No, I think his head's gonna fall off.
What should we call our snowman?
Gary.
Gary the snowman.
Gary the snowman.
Everybody say hi. Hi. Just sit on the floor a sec.
Why are you putting that? Oh, it looks like a dick on my head. Oh no! You know what, Christina?
I'm going to stop this, otherwise you're going to get